Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening PowerPoint and choosing a template or blank file. This gets you working immediately. Once done, set the slide size to 16:9 for modern screens and choose a layout that matches your goal. Make sure to add a clear title and one concise sentence that states purpose. Use the quick layout options to add placeholders. They save time. You'll want consistent fonts and a simple color contrast now so later editing stays fast and predictable. Now add your main content: text, images, charts, and icons that support one idea per slide. You should use the slide master to apply fonts, colors, and logo placement so every slide updates instantly. Once done, insert images with insert pictures and use crop or aspect fit so visuals are clean. Avoid stretched images. Make sure headings are larger than body text and use bullet lists sparingly. This keeps slides scannable and prevents information overload. Finish by reviewing flow and timing. You should rehearse with presenter view and notes to control pacing. Once done, export a PDF or video for distribution and check file size before sending. Make sure animations are subtle and tested on the target machine. Heavy effects can behave differently. If things go wrong, check fonts first. Embed fonts via Save as Tools Save options, or switch to standard fonts to avoid layout shifts. You'll then be ready to present confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.